Enjoy a thrilling day picnic at Kamath Nature Residency Resort, located just 2 hours from Mumbai and Pune. Here you can enjoy exciting action-packed adventures like rock climbing, rappelling, flying fox, archery, along with a dip in swimming pool, and rain dance with DJ music too. We serve delicious, tasty, unlimited buffet food, and picnic packages starts from 999 all inclusive. Book your picnic by clicking on Learn More.
Everyone, this is my first experience at Kamath Residency Nature Resort. It's a pretty good learning and a pretty good adventurous resort. We have done plenty of activities like rock climbing, zip lining and rampling, plus we played volleyball. The food is also very tasty here and it was a very good experience. It's a very nature resort. Thank you.
That's what we are getting from this hotel, and the best part of this is the taste of the foods and in all the preparations, starting from breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything. And another thing I want to mention is the people. The people are very cordial, they are very supportive, very assistive, and nature very soft spoken. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.